Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Welcome to another lesson for دروس اللغة العربية لغير الناطقين بها volume 1 by Dr. Fa Abdurrahim. Today we're looking at درس point number 1 اقرأ واكتب read and write. We're looking at gender again, how to make genders, or how do we signify, or how do we recognize something as female or female, feminine, or masculine, or male. The last time we look at the use of هذه and then هذا. هذه, this is, and then هذا is also this is, but هذا is used for masculine, singular, and then هذه is used for feminine, singular. And then we also learn the use of signification like تاء مربوطة, so which we use to flip a masculine object or a masculine professional title to a feminine professional title, like طبيب, 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 a doctor, that is a male. And then the female is going to be طبيبة, طبيبة, or B button. And then we also look at the human body parts, right? The human body parts. And then we said that all pairs are masculine, are feminine, I'm sorry. All pairs are feminine. All pairs are feminine. So all pairs are feminine. That is the rule. So if you have famun is not a pair. So we say هذا famun. And then, but if you have ainun, I, so we say هذه عين, هذه عين, هذه عين. And then the number 3, if let's say you're talking about yedun, we have 2 yed, so we have to say هذه yedun. And then if you're talking about rijlun, your legs, so you also say هذه rijlun. You don't say هذا rijlun. So all pairs are feminine. All pairs are feminine. That's the rule. So in Arabic, in terms of the body parts, all pairs are feminine. And there are some nouns in Arabic, as we discussed, they are classified as feminine by native Arab grammarians or the native Arab people, like kidron, for instance. Kidron, a pot. So kidron, we say هذه قدر. You don't say هذا قدر. We don't say هذا قدر. We say هذه قدر because it's a feminine object. And then we also have considered what we call biological relation. Biological relations like ibnun, biological relation or biological gender. Ibnun, bintun, akhun, ukhtun. Akhun, ibnun is a son, and then bintun, it's a daughter. Akhun, brother, ukhtun, and then we can have ammun, and then we can have amma, and then we can have khalun, and then we have khala, and then we can have jaddun, then we can have jaddatun, and then we can have abun, and then we can have ummun. So these are all masculine and feminine. Ibnun, son, bintun, daughter, akhun, brother, ukhtun, sister, ammun, and then amma. These are uncles, paternal uncle, and then maternal khalun, khala, jaddun, jadda, abun, ummun. and on and on and on. So these are biological genders, things that we biologically associate. And then let's say the deacon, right? Deacon is a rooster, that's the male. And then we have dajaja, right? Dajajatun, that's the hen. And then we have jamalun, and then we can have naqa, naqa. So we say hadha jamal, and then we say hadhihi naqa. Hadha deacon, then we say hadhihi dajaja. So always you have to think about the gender classification of a noun in Lughat al-Arabiyya. So let's do the ikra. Let's start ikra. Tub hada masjidun. This is a mosque. Wa hadhihi madrasatun. Now, what is the difference? What's the gender difference? Masjidun, madrasatun. What's the gender difference? This is a male and this is a female. A school. Masjid. Now, there's no any basis or grammatical rule regarding this. It's just as it is. The Arab grammarians decided to make madrasatun a female because of the taw marbuta at the end. And the masjid is just masjid. It doesn't have the taw marbuta. Like we said, anytime you see a noun with a taw marbuta at the end, you can bet 100%, 99.99% that it's a female, like madrasatun. So we say wahadihi madrasatun. Hada masjid. So look at the demonstrative pronoun here. Hada and hadihi. Hada masjid. Why hada? Because the masjid is classified as masculine. Wahadihi madrasatun. Madrasa is classified as what? Feminine. So it deserves hadihi. But hada and hadihi, as far as English is concerned, they are the same. This is. That's it. But in Arabic, we pay attention to the differences. Let's look at number 2. Man hadihi. Who is this? Man hadihi. Who is this? Hadihi ukhtu Abbasin. Hadihi ukhtu Abbasin. Ukht, a sister. Ukhtun, a sister. Ukht. Man hadihi? Hadihi ukhtu Abbasin. Right? Who is this? This is the sister of Abbas. Now look at hadihi. Remember, we just discussed this. Ukhtun. Ukhtun. Your ukhtun is your sister. And then if not your ukhtun, it's going to be your akhun. Akhun, a brother. Akhun, a brother. Right? Let's look at number 3. هذا الثالث. هذا deep. Remember deep, a rooster. Deep, a rooster. وهذه دجاجة. وهذه دجاجة. دجاجة is hen. Rooster, rooster. هذا ديك وهذه دجاجة. Number 4. هذا ابن مدير. هذا ابن مدير. ابن, son. This is the son of the headmaster or the principal. وهذه بنت. وهذه بنت مدرس. This is the daughter of the teacher. بنت. So you see that بنت has هذه, and then ابن has هذا. هذه أم. أم. أم with a shadda. أم. أم means a mother. Mother. Mother is أم. So أم is a biological title, right? Or biological signification. So we have to say هذه. هذه أم. هذه أم. This is a mother. But here we are saying هذه أم ياسر. This is, you can say this is the mother. This is the mother of Yasser. Or you can say this is ياسر mother. هذه أم ياسر. هذه أم ياسر. Let's look at السادسة. نسي كلمة السادسة. So let's see أين قدر اللحم. لحم is meat. لحم meat. So remember we said قدر, collect قدر with a pot again. So قدر لحم. أين قدر اللحم. So pot of meat. The pot of meat is قدر اللحم. So أين قدر اللحم. Where is the pot of meat? Or where is the pot of meat? The pot in which we have the meat. So here is a part relationship. أين قدر اللحم. Here في الثلاجة. Here is referring to the qidr. The qidr is feminine noun. Let's look at the ثلاجة. ثلاجة is right there. ثلاجة. ثا with a ثا. ثلاجة. ثلاجة is a phrase. A phrase. So ثلاجة, as you can see, it has تاء مربوطة at the end. So therefore, it's considered feminine noun or object. Let's look at السابعة. السابعة 7. هذا باب. This is a door. وهذه نافذة. وهذه. So نافذة. Why is نافذة taking هذه? Is because of the تاء مربوطة. نافذة is a window. نافي. It's not نافة. نافذة. نافذة window. نافذة window. So باب is a door. هذا باب هذا. And then you can see باب is devoid of تاء مربوطة. So technically you say is a masculine noun. باب. No تاء مربوطة with it. And then but if I say نافذة because of the تاء مربوطة, I will say is a feminine noun. So I have to say هذا باب. هذه نافذة. هذا باب وهذه نافذة. So اقرأ وقت begin. هذا مسجد وهذه مدرسة. من هذا. من هذه. هذه أخت باسل. هذا ديك وهذه دجاجة. هذا ديك وهذه دجاجة. هذا ابن مديري. This is the son of the headmaster. وهذه بنت مدرسي. This is the daughter of the teacher. هذه أم ياسري. هذه أم ياسري. Or هذه أم ياسر. هذه أم mother. And then we have أين قدر اللحم. Where is the pot of meat? Here في الثلاجة. It is in the fridge. Here it is. Remember we talk about the difference between huwa and here. Huwa is he is or it is. And here is she is or it is. So kidrul lahm. Kidr is feminine object. So we have to say here. Here في الثلاجة. It is inside the fridge. في in. So let's look at another tamreen. Here we have objects grouped into feminine and masculine. ما هذا. ما هذا. What is this? So we are answering the question. ما هذا. What is this? ما هذه. What is this? But ما هذه is feminine, and then ما هذا is what? Masculine. So these items, as we have studied or learned, can be feminine or masculine. So from your studies, what can you do? I'm going to do maybe couple, and then the rest is yours. So my question is, ما هذا? This one. First, I know this one is called قلم. قلم. So somebody's asking me, ما هذا? Then I will say, هذا قلم. So I've done this one. What about this? This in Arabic is called مل. ملأة. Now, so let me check it. Is it masculine or feminine? Is feminine. Why? Because of the تاء مربوطة. So I got to say, my question is going to be ما هذه. ما هذه. And then I will say هذه ملأة. هذه ملأة. So first you pick up the question and then relate it to the object in the picture and then answer. Now, what is that? So I'm basically doing this line. I'm doing this line. So I've done this one and I've done this one. So let's pick number 3 here. كتاب. 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 A book. Now, first, I need to determine, is it feminine or masculine? I would say it's masculine. It's masculine. Why? Because it doesn't have any taw marbuta at the end. And by experience and examination, it's not classified by the Arabs as a feminine object. So therefore, it's masculine. So my question is going to be, ما هذا? ما هذا? That's my question, number 1. And my answer is going to be, هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب. What is this? And then your answer is, هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب. This is a book. ما هذا? What is this? هذا كتاب. Let me do the 4th one. What is that? In Arabic, they call it قميص. 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 A shirt. قميص. A shirt. We've encountered all these. We've encountered all these in the previous lessons. So you can go back and review and get everything. So qamis. Now the question is it masculine or feminine? I would say yes, masculine. Feminine, no, it's not. So it's masculine. So what will be my question? Is it going to be ma hadha or ma hadihi? My question is going to be ma hadha. Ma hadha. Ma hadha. What is this? Then I have to say hadha qamis. Hadha qamis. This is a qamis. So do the rest. Do the rest. But before that, you know that this is called, let me see, this is baytun, this is sa'atun, this is sayyaratun, this is babun, and this is rijlun, and this is daraja, and this is yadun, and this is anfun, and this is famun, and this is qidrun, this one, and this is mil'aqa, mil'aqatun, and then we have miqwats, and kursi. So you should be able to identify all these objects by now, right? Because these are previously encountered or learned objects. This is miftah, and this is masjid, as you can see, and this is thallaja, thallaja, and this is najmun, najmun, and this is kursiyun, and this is mikwat. So the question is, you ask ma hadha based on the gender, or ma hazihi based on the gender. Remember, ma hadha is for masculine, and then ma hazihi is for feminine. And that is it for this lesson, inshallah. The next time we meet, we're going to conclude lesson 6. And dumtum bi khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.